Good afternoon to you. It'll be a lovely afternoon to be on the beach in the south. A real picture postcard of a scene here in London with not a cloud in the sky. And it is a real life picture. You can see the traffic moving along the motorway there. But things are completely different further north, and for Northern Ireland, parts of southern Scotland, Cumbria and Northumberland later on through the afternoon, some quite heavy downpours of rain. A line of showers is moving through right now. That started off across Northern Ireland, drifted into southern parts of Scotland, but it's also going to move across much of the far north of England over the next few hours and generate some quite heavy downpours of rain. But in the south, hardly a cloud in the sky, especially across the southern half of the Midlands, East Anglia and the southeast of England. Now further north we're going to see more of those showers coming and going for the rest of the afternoon. Here cooler as well, just 16 or 17 the top temperature, but in that sunshine, 22, 23, maybe a 24 popping up somewhere, which is the mid-70s in Fahrenheit. And of course if you are out and about, the sun is quite strong at this time of year. The sun index of 5 or 6 for the more southern parts of Britain. Now tonight it'll cool down to 8 or 9 degrees, a few showers still coming and going. And then through tomorrow, and more especially in towards the weekend, we start to see a real change in the temperatures. Now this area of high pressure stays out here in the Atlantic, and it allows these areas of low pressure to move around it. As they do so, the winds change direction, the circulation around this high pulling in cold northerly winds. So a real change in the temperatures, especially towards the end of the weekend and the early part of next week. And we can see it on our temperature charts as the greens become much more prevalent as the colder air sinks its way steadily southwards. Thursday's forecast brings a mixture of sunshine and showers for much of England and Wales, maybe the south coast of England getting away with the dry weather, but then more persistent cloud and rain moving into the western side of Scotland and also moving into Northern Ireland later through the afternoon. Then by Friday it's just about wet everywhere really. We may still hold on to a little bit of brightness. East Anglia, the far southeast of England, look at the change in temperatures down to 17 or 18, even colder than that further north. And that line of showery rain will continue its journey southwards through the day. So the outlook for the next 3 or 4 days is certainly unsettled, turning cooler. Rain spreading south later in the week, and then into the weekend a chilly northerly breeze, making it feel decidedly cold. Into Europe, and we still have some sunshine in Europe, across the large part of the Mediterranean. As you can see, not a cloud in the sky, and here we hold on to a ridge of high pressure. Now then, the sun index is even higher here, on a global scale of 1 to 10, up at 9, so do take care if you're heading for the Mediterranean. Bye for now.